Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take selfie by showing palm in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, open camera in your phone and go to the settings of camera here. Then go to shooting methods. Then here you go to turn on the button against show palm. So when you take a selfie, if you show your palm to the camera, automatically it will take a selfie. See here. Make sure that you are in the front camera and show your palm. See here. Yes. Photo is taken now. So in this way you can easily take a selfie by showing your palm in front of the camera. Now I open the picture that I took. See here, again I take and open the picture. This is the picture. Okay, this is the selfie that I took using this method. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.